Westview School was started in January of 1961 and was brought about because of the lack of specialized education for learners with special educational needs. The initial school building housed only 240 learners and 15 educators. Today, we accommodate over 700 learners and more than 50 educators. We boast with 15 fully equipped technical workshops and suitable academic classes. Our objectives are to educate learners to become independent and responsible citizens that contribute to society by mastering a skill in a skills or vocational program, ensuring a sense of meaningful purpose in society to their life. Our mission statement is success through hard work, and we firmly believe in this and instill this in our learners. Westview Special School caters for learners that are mild to moderately intellectually disabled. During the 4 years at Westview, they will follow the National Occupational Curriculum as determined by the Department of Education. Learners are set up to either enter the formal labour market or to be an entrepreneur. Once they have finished Year 4 and the National Occupational Curriculum are gazetted, they will leave our school with an NQF Level 2 certificate. We adhere to the prescribed National Curriculum Statement, which we adapt according to our learners' needs. These academic subjects include a home language, a first additional language, mathematics, life skills, creative art, natural science, and physical education. Agricultural studies. A wide variety of topics are covered in the 4 years of studying this trade. We look at general farming, plant production, gardening, animal production, business and farm management practices, as well as other aspects of garden and farming maintenance. A wide variety of career opportunities become available when studying agricultural studies. These include an emerging farmer, a hawker who can sell their produce, an entrepreneur, a worker in the garden service sector, a worker at an abattoir or butcher. Bodyworks, a course that looks at panel beating and spray painting combined. Students are taught basic panel beating processes by using hand and electric tools. This includes fiberglass work, body part removal, fitment and realignment, basic welding like MIG and TIG welding, arc welding, and gas welding. In spray painting, students are taught flatting, masking, mixing and applying fillers, primers, and paints. They are also taught mixing ratios of different types of paint, including 2K MS primer and 2K top coats, paint application techniques in various steps, hand and machine polishing of painted surfaces are taught. At the maintenance workshop, we offer 8 different trades. Let's have a look at each one. In metalwork, we mainly focus on arc and MIG welding, grinding, cutting, and drilling of mild steel. In woodwork, we learn practical skills and work with power and hand tools. The building and painting sections are combined to introduce learners to mixing concrete and building with bricks. We look at spray painting as well as brush painting. In mechanical maintenance, basic vehicle maintenance is covered that includes a basic service, changing of wheels, filters, light bulbs, and draining oil. In electrical, we cover AC and DC power sources, where learners are taught a variety of skills, from wiring 3-pin plugs all the way to wiring DB boards and trunking. In plumbing, our students can fit basins, bathtubs, and showers with PVC and copper pipes. In glazing and glasswork, we teach our students to fit windows using putty and different beading methods. Ancillary health. The object in training care workers is to provide an adequate service to tend to the sick and to help in the preservation and promotion of the health of the community in general. We cover hospital equipment, theory, basic medical procedures, different beds for patients, personal patient care, general baby care, bed and bath care, nail and foot care, and basic first aid. In the Office Administration course, we look at the different aspects and skills necessary for office-related duties. We introduce students to computers and basic computer literacy. From the second year, we focus on Windows, File Explorer, and the correct filing techniques. We look at Microsoft Office, focusing on Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. This will ensure that the student has effective skills for most office environments. In hospitality studies, we aim to develop the necessary skills needed so that the student can pursue a career in this industry. A variety of topics are covered, such as food preparation, methods of cooking, plating, kitchen hygiene, sectors and careers, nutrition and dietary needs, table setting, waitering skills, and front of house. Exams cover both theoretical and practical aspects, giving the student a holistic and realistic view of the industry. In consumer studies, we look at threading and maintaining needlework equipment, stitching, laying out and cutting garments, using and transferring patterns, fitting the garments on a dressmaker's doll, and making alterations, as well as the ironing of the completed garments. This could take the student into a career as a seamstress working at a company, or even starting their own business from home. The Signage Art and Crafts workshop is a combination of 3 workshops. The students are trained to know and work in the signage industry. In the art and craft sessions, they are trained to create something out of nothing. Recycled items are used to create a piece of art and generate an income from it. As part of the 4-year course, the learner will also do upholstery. Here they are taught to assemble and upholster a couch as well as to cover chairs. Welding. Students are taught the different welding processes, namely MIG, TIG, arc, spot, and gas welding. They are also taught plasma and gas cutting, mild steel profiles, exposure to non-ferrous metals, welding in all positions, destructive and non-destructive testing, hand tools, measuring equipment, electric hand tools, fixed machinery, and projects. These skills could get them into a career of welding or workshop assisting. The woodwork and timber workshop lays the foundation for learning in the areas of construction, carpentry, and joinery, which includes furniture and cabinet making. The students make use of various assembly methods. These basic skills include the use of hand tools, power tools, and bigger joinery machines. The students also make use of different finishes, including sanding, varnishing, painting, and spray painting. Students leave this course with adequate skills of carpentry. Hairdressing and beauty. This course starts off with the fundamentals of hairdressing, the correct method of a hair and scalp analysis, shampooing, conditioning, scalp massage, and the correct product choice. We also do roller setting of wet hair, blow drying with multiple brushes, and identifying correct facial shapes. More advanced techniques such as permanent waving, chemical relaxing of natural curl, and different color applications are included. Personal care is another part of this course, and here our students will learn the advantages of good personal hygiene. Basic pedicures, manicures, and mini facials are done. Through this course, the learner can continue to study towards becoming a stylist or a basin technician. Westview offers a great variety of sports, as it is an important part of a child's physical and mental development. Our cultural activities are a great way for students to connect with the community and give them a sense of belonging. This is imperative to help build a well-rounded individual. Thank you for viewing our school presentation. We trust you have found it informative and that we will see you in our workshops, on stage, and on the sports field.